Welcome students, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn what is correlation with some real life examples. Correlation is basically a statistical measure that tells us about the relationship between two variables, and it specifically focuses on the linear relationship. If two variables are linearly related, that means they are correlated. And the measure of correlation gives us the idea that how much is the linearity, how much is the linearity in their relationship. So that is basically the correlation. If two variables are linearly related, that means they are correlated. Now, what are the example? Speed of a car and journey duration. So we have a clear idea that there is a specific relationship between these two variables. If you increase the speed of your car, you are able to cover a longer distance within a shorter period of time. That means they are related. So these two variables are correlated. Next is sales of winter wear and temperature. When temperature falls or temperature decreases, that means you are you are you tend to buy more winter wears, or the sales of winter wear increases. That means when one variable decreases, the other increase. So there is a relationship between them. They are correlated. Next is hours worked and earning. In general, in every organization we can see that an employee who works for a longer period of time tend to earn more. That means they have relationship. They are correlated. Height and weight of individuals. It is in general that a taller person or a tall person tend to have more weight than the shorter one. So height and weight are related. So all these variables are have relationship between them. So they are correlated. Next is types of correlation. The first is the positive correlation. Positive correlation is the case when the direction of change of two variables are same. That means while one variable increases, the other also increase, and while one variable decreases, the other will also decrease. So when the direction of change between the two variables is the same, that is the positive correlation. Height and weight. I have already explained it that increase in height and increase in weight, they occur together. Next is running time on treadmill and burning calories. When you run more time in treadmill, then you tend to burn more calories. So increase in the time of running on the treadmill will tend to burn more of your calories. So the direction is the same, both is increasing, so they are positively correlated. And this is the scatter plot of a positive correlation. Here both the variables are increasing. If you observe this graph, then you can see that when height is around 100, weight is around 80. On the other hand, when height is around 0, weight is also around 0. So this is positive correlation. Next is negative correlation. Negative correlation is nothing but just the opposite of the positive correlation. It says that the direction of the change of two variables are opposite. Like when one variable increase and other will decrease. This is the case of negative correlation. Or one variable decrease and other will increase. So this is the exact case of negative correlation. So this is the scatter plot. Here we can see when speed of car is around 120 kilometer, journey duration is very less. It is near about 1 hour. But while the speed of car is 20 kilometer, the journey duration is 7 hours. What are the examples? Speed of a car and journey duration, running time on treadmill and body weight. Increase in the time of running on the treadmill will decrease your body weight. So the direction of change of the two variables are opposite. So they are negatively correlated. And the last one is the most easiest one, that is the no correlation, and often we call it zero correlation also. This is this is nothing. This is just nothing. This is when this is the case when two variables are not related. When there is no relationship between them. This is called the no correlation or zero correlation. What is the example? Shoe size and reading ability, or favorite color and income of a person. Just looking at these two examples, uh, is it is it really possible to have any kind of relationship between these two variables? No, correct. So it does not make any sense that if you have a longer shoe size, your reading skill is very good. It's not like that. So there is no relationship between these variables. So they are not correlated. And it is the example of the scatter plot in the case of no correlation. Just looking at the diagram, we cannot find any specific pattern of the points. We do not know where the next point will lie. Right. So there is no pattern here. It is the diagram for no correlation. So these are the mainly these are the three types of correlation: positive, negative, and no correlation. Here I have some examples, and this is for you. You have to identify that what kind of correlation each of this example have. Thank you. I think now you have a clear idea about what is correlation and what are the types of correlation and all. So this is for today. If you have any queries, you can leave a comment in the comment section. And if you like this video, please do like, comment, and subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you in the next one.